Okay, this is Unit 7, Algebra Day 3 worksheet, number 6. I have a number out in front, and so I'm still going to use that 6 times 2 square roots. But I need to figure out what number I want to split my 2 square roots up into. So square root of 180 is going to turn into something times something. So maybe off to the side I make a list of my options. Because it's a large number, you could just start trying to come up with numbers you know. But it might be better to start just by dividing by small numbers until you find a perfect square that's the largest one. So 180 divided by 2 is 90, not perfect squares. 180 divided by 3 is 60, not perfect squares. 180 divided by 4 is 45. 4 is a perfect square, but it's small, so we want to see if we can come up with anything better. 180 divided by 5 is 36. And since these are decreasing in value, that means 36 is the largest perfect square I'm going to find. So instead of 180, I'm going to say 36 and 5. 36 times 5 is 180. So I have 6 times the square root of 36. The square root of 36 simplifies to a 6 times the square root of 5. So 6 times 6 is 36, and my answer is 36 root 5. I could have gotten the answer from here real quick. I would have had the square root of 4 times square root of 45. Square root of 4 is 2. And then square root of 45 would go to square root 9 and square root 5. I'd have to keep going. Then I'd have a 2 times 3 times the square root of 5. So I'd still get that 6 root 5, and then times the original 6 that was out front would give me 36 root 5. So a couple different ways to do that problem.